This is meteorologist Corey Rothstein with the National Weather Service here in Springfield with a severe weather and heavy rainfall update on Tuesday, March 16, 2021. The key messages of the forecast for tonight into tomorrow. We're looking at 2 rounds of strong to severe thunderstorms. The first round looks like it'll arrive late tonight into Wednesday morning. There will be a brief break before we get into our second round of potential severe weather, which will be Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday evening. The brief break between the 2 rounds of storms will be on the order of a few hours and may affect the potential for severe weather during the afternoon and evening. Heavy rainfall will also be an issue with the storms moving through tomorrow. There's a potential for 1 to 3 inches of rainfall are possible. Flooding will also be possible with any rainfall that occurs. Scattered showers will also linger into Thursday after the severe weather moves through. Regarding the first round of severe potential tonight into Wednesday morning, looks like it'll be mainly between 4 a.m. and 11 a.m., primarily across our southeastern Kansas and southwestern Missouri counties. The main threats include hail to the size of golf balls, some isolated wind gusts perhaps to 60 miles per hour, and frequent lightning. And the best threat for that severe weather, again, will be Fort Scott area down into Columbus, Joplin, and areas west of there. As I said before, we will be seeing a brief break late in the morning into early afternoon. That will affect the potential for severe weather Wednesday afternoon into evening, depending on how long the morning rainfall and cloud cover sticks around. But otherwise, we are expecting another round of thunderstorm potential during the afternoon into evening hours. That'll be primarily from about 1 p.m. to 9 p.m., with the best chances of severe weather south of the Interstate 44 corridor. And the main threats for the second round of severe weather looks like it'll primarily be hail, again to the size of golf balls, a better chance for damaging wind gusts up to about 70 miles per hour, even a few tornadoes, especially across south central Missouri, and then as well as frequent lightning. In addition to the severe threat, we're also looking at the additional 1 to 3 inches of rainfall possible beginning tonight and continuing into Wednesday night. As you can see from the graph here, the highest amounts again will be north of the Interstate 44 corridor, with upwards of 2 to 3 inches possible even across and along and north of the Highway 54 corridor. We are expecting the potential for some flooding of low water crossings, creeks, and streams with this heavy rainfall. In addition to the heavy rainfall, many creeks and rivers are still above flood stage across the area from the recent rainfall we had last week. Some of these include the Marmaton at Nevada, the Little Osage River at Horton, the Osage River near Shell City, and the Osage River near Taborville. And the heaviest rainfall does look like it'll be impacting those basins that are already in flood. So again, to wrap up the briefing here, we will be seeing 2 rounds of storms, one tonight into Wednesday morning and another round Wednesday afternoon and evening, with a brief break in between the two. Additional heavy rainfall will also cause potential for some flooding, especially north of the Interstate 44 corridor, with scattered showers lingering into Thursday as well. Just want to highlight some safety messages here before we get into the more active weather tonight into tomorrow. Just a reminder, if there are any barricades set up on roads that you come across, most fatalities do occur in vehicles, and remember that heed the barricades, as barely any water upwards of a foot or less can sweep a car off of the road. In addition, in a preparedness sense, please be mindful of having multiple ways to receive warnings. This includes a NOAA weather radio, being tuned into your local TV or radio, having emergency alerts to your phone, as well as checking up with the latest forecasts on our website. And if you do come across any reports of wind, hail, or tornadoes tomorrow, feel free to call us at the office number that we have listed, as well as text us any pictures of reports that you may receive. Thank you, stay safe, and have a good day.